Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingvalley.com, and today I'm going to be showing you a card using the Petal Pallete, which is not a new stamp set. It has been already been probably like a year and a half, but I wanted to use it because I like those flowers and I definitely like all the sentiments. So for this one I'm going to be picking I Just Love You. And believe it or not, I'm working on swaps for our upcoming on stage, and so I decided I wanted to use some of my design series paper, and the one that I'm using today is Petal Pallete design series paper, which is the one that has the beautiful roses, and that's how I got inspired into what paper to use. And I could easily go this route, honestly, but I wanted to have more of a clean, elegant look, if you will, right? So I like this one, this side a lot. So let's just play with it. So let's go over measurements. And so I have here, what is this? Blackberry Bliss, and this is 8.5 by 5.5. So we're going to be folding it in half, as usual. Use your bone folder. I never get tired to say that. Then I have a piece of basic black, and this one is 3 1/4 by 4 3/4, and I have a piece of the design series paper that is 3 by 4.5. By the way, out of one sheet you actually can get 20. Actually, no, out of two sheets you get 20. So one sheet you get 10 cards of this if you go this size. So this is definitely a great size to be die cutting or to be cutting your paper. That way you can get a lot of them. So anyway, so these are gonna go glued down. Well, let me just wait just in case I want to change my mind. Let's just go first with the stamping and go from there, because I really think that I might like that one too. So anyway, I'm going to be taking a scrap of paper because I know my flowers are slightly larger than the circle, so I definitely don't want to. So I'm going to put it almost at the very end, as you can see here, of the circle. And I'm using Blackberry Bliss, okay. And then I'm going to be using the you can tell I am working on swaps, so I have multiples of those. So I'm going to go ahead and do I Just Love You. Alright, and there you have it. Let me see, maybe I try it again, just in case, because I feel it's a little bit crooked, so let me just, oh, did I move? I think I moved it. Let's see. Okay. Alright, much better. So I'm going to go with that. I'm going to close this because I don't want a disaster to happen. And so I'm going to go ahead, you know what, I don't like this with this. So I'm going to go ahead and go the first option. Yes, I like the cleaner look. Yes. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be gluing down our paper onto the, and then we're going to go ahead and close, and glue this one into our, should I like this? Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and do a little bow using our basic black satin ribbon, and I'm going to go ahead and do you can tell it's just alright. Okay, once you like it, just cut it out. And I'm always using or doing my bows out of the bowl because I feel like I only waste so little rather than cutting longer pieces. Plus I never know how much to cut, let me just be honest. So anyway, so I'm going to be putting this one here. I think I'm going to be putting this one here, probably that one. So I'm going to go with the original one and then have a little bow. So how do you think, huh? Very simple. The other way is I could put it right here and the D is, and then have that one there. Ooh. Let me see. What do you think? Maybe I like it better that way, you know? Maybe this is a little bit too large. Let me just cut a little bit. Alright, maybe this is slightly like bigger than what I need. Ooh. Yes, I think I like this one better. Yes, I'm going to go this way. Alright, so for this one I'm going to go ahead and put some dimensional. So let's just bring alrighty, I'm going to put it like so. Then for these I'm going to put a little bit of glue here and then one on this side, that way I can put it like so. Alrighty. And then I'm going to be adding this one with a glue dot, so I'll just bring the glue dots here. Okay. Let's see. Yes. So glue that right here. Which I want to put to, because it's kind of a thick ribbon. So and just to pop it up a little bit more, let me see if I have here, oh yeah, I have here some rhinestones. So I'm going to go ahead and add some rhinestones outside the card. I think it will be nicer. Alright, just to add a little something to it. So here you have it. Hope you like it. Very simple, really easy. And I just love how it looks, don't you think? So anyway, don't forget to sign up for my email. I usually put it on the description of this video so that you can see more upcoming classes that I have, whether they are live or online events. And also you get information about Stampin' Up! Promotions, as well as other events that I might have, and definitely more card inspiration. So anyway, so thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.